sa amin? Kilala niyo ba si Sir Miko? Ayan, ulit
Pero again, what's exciting about it, sundan lang natin sinabi ng ating VP for Training and Network Development, Sir Arnel MP, hindi tumitigil ang management in the direction and vision of our visionary President, Dr. Ed, Sir John Aspili, Dr. Ramoni, the whole management, hindi po tumitigil para po to create platforms, divisions, opportunities para siguradong wala ka ng excuse. Basta member ka ng A-Global Group, siguradong yayaman ka.
Lalo-lalo na sa ipapakilala at ibabalita natin ngayon. I'm sure you have an idea today, right?
Parang wala pa talaga. Parang tinulak lang ni Upline.
Matid ka doon, matid ka doon. May sasabihin ulit yung dalawa. Ayan. Okay, ready na ba kayo? Ready? Yeah! Talaga, ready na, no? So, ang trabaho nyo, of course, is to echo what you will be learning or hearing today, no, sa mga grupo ninyo. So we'll be sharing a lot of very important information. In fact, medyo dito sa division na to, hindi mo naglaylo. We intensify our drive for the last 3 months. Ano, baka isipin ng iba, bakit parang medyo nawala ng balita masyado sa Alpha East Corporation, tama? Hindi kami naglayo. In fact, we intensify the move. Kasi for the last 3 weeks, binilisan, di ba, Sir Nico?
That's right. And of course, the goal is syempre, mai-provide kung ano yung dapat, ma-provide yung value para sa ating mga distributors. Okay ba yun?
Parang gusto niyo ba marinig yung sa side namin? Ready na ba kayo sa signature creation? Ano yun?
Ayan, so definitely we'll be having dividing it into 2 parts, no?
Yeah, 2 parts.
We will be discussing syempre yung introduction ng ating homegrown signature creation ng Alpha East Franchise Corporation. Today nyo marinig yun. At kayo yung mga mauuna, palakpakan nyo naman yung mga sarili nyo.
Sa third floor.
Sa third floor. And of course,
the Hall of Famer and Top 20 about 2 days ago.
2 days ago, we had a meeting with an HUF and the Top 20, so they heard about it. Nabigyan na natin sa kanila yun. And of course, after that, we'll be having some procedural, instructions kung paano yung procedures and how to start, how to put it up, how to set it up. Yes. Paniwalag ni Sir Adrian. And of course, later, introduce namin sa inyo yung mga tao behind Alpha East Franchise Corporation, homegrown signature creations natin.
Yes. Homegrown. Pag sinabing homegrown signature, sariling atin.
Pakisabi nga sa mo, sariling atin.
Sariling atin. Sabihin mo, this time, atin na to. Ayan, sinigurado natin. And of course, what you will be witnessing tonight about Alpha East Franchise Corporation is just, this will be your reference. This will be a reference, so ito yung pinaka-main reference mo about the signature creation that we will be presenting. We will be coming up with a, of course, meron yung PowerPoint. You can have the PowerPoint after tonight, di ba?
Yes.
Starting tomorrow, so you can take a look at it. And then we will be coming up with new, dalawa pang PowerPoint kasi number 1 is yung how to present this one. Remember, meron tayong ginawa noon, yung how to present. So iba kasi yung babagsak natin dito, this is not the way you should present it to your prospect kasi baka masyadong mahaba.
Yeah.
Ngayon is about information dissemination and part of which is about training the trainers. Kasi kayo yung mga trainers and parang ganon, di ba?
Tama ba? Tama ba? Parang duda sila sa sarili nila. Are you the trainers? Are you the coaches?
Hindi yung mag-share, di ba? And then of course, yung presentation that medyo mas concise and brief when you have a prospect. Pero ang pinaka, nito, laman, galing dito. So, nakuha niyo? Okay, so ready pa ba kayo? Okay pa ba kayo? Ayan ha, daming mga leaders, nakakatuwa. Okay, without further ado, please welcome Mr. Miko Inzon.
Ayan, so again, like what we discussed, dyan lang. Like what we have discussed, binanggit ni Sir Adrian, napaka-importante na etong pag-uusapan natin is for your eyes, for your ears, for your understanding, Pero we will be creating a different way on how to present it to our clients. Ito, more information. So parang training to. Are you following? Pag ito pinesent mo sa client mo, baka, ang sabi nga natin, you don't want to talk out of sales. Yung sobrang dami mong sinabi na hindi naman kailangan, imbis na bibili na, bebenta na nawala pa. Alright? So, what we want to give them is what they need. So, importante, kailangan maintindihan mabuti natin yung mga information dito so that you can come up and we will be coming up with a very short, precise presentation, catchy presentation na ibibigay natin sa mga clients natin and future partners natin sa Alpha East Franchise Corporation. Okay ba yun? Ready na ba kayo? Ready na bang magpa-pay-in, kumuha ng mga franchisee sa AFC? Eto na, alam ko ready na kasi for the past few weeks nung kaming sineset up ito, ang dami ng mga pending, ang dami ng mga applications and inquiries. So this time, we will be making sure about this for each and every of you. So may mga updates tayo. Kanina nag-update about, EC, yung new product, nag-update with Bibo, mamaya may maririnig pa kayo. This time with the division of AEFC. Are you ready? Yeah! So today, we will be introducing sa inyo, initial introduction of AFC's homegrown. Pakisabi ulit, homegrown. Homegrown signature creation. Nabanggit ni Sir Adrian pag sinabing homegrown, sariling atin. What's the advantage when you have a homegrown creation in a franchise corporation? Number one advantage, we can control things. Kontrolado natin kung anong flavor. So let me tell you, we have the power right now. We have our own commissary. Pakisabi nga, commissary. We have our own R&D. Pakisabi, R&D. Kasi pag ikaw magne-negosyo at maghahanap ng produkto, especially in food and beverage industry, importante magpapa-R&D ka. And pag R&D, talagang yung mga R&D personnel natin, umiikot pa yan sa iba't ibang bansa to gather recipes, to gather some informations na pwedeng dalhin inegosyo yung mga food recipes dito sa Pilipinas. Are you following? So when we introduced Alpha East Franchise Corporation, as you can remember, dalawa yan, di ba? Ito po yan, sabay pong nangyayari yung collaborative and yung homegrown signature creation. And this time, we want to focus more on our homegrown signature creation kasi we have control over the price point, the flavor, the R&D sa ating lahat galing. Are you following? Can you give an applause for that? Okay ba yun? Okay ba yun? Mas maganda bang i-introduce yung sariling atin? Of course, kasi yung price point siguradong panalo ang mga distributor. Are you following? Yung price point, sigurado yung market na niche natin, yung atin, mas kontrolado. Hindi tayo limitado for some decisions kasi it's a homegrown product. It's currently coming from us. Are you excited? So let me show you. Introducing our first, pag sinabing first, may second, third, fourth. So first pa lang na homegrown creation natin, ang ating brand, Matchin. Pakisabi nga, Matchin! Matchin! Pakisabi sa mo, Matchin! Pakisabi sa tabi, Matchin! Alam ko, mahilig kayo dyan, language yan, binanggit ka rin yan. Matchin ng Matchin ng Matchin ng Matchin. Magkano yan? 1.8 ng 1.8. We're focusing on ice beverage. So let me show you. So first variety natin on Matchin is the Milk Tea Delights. Pakisabi nga, Milk Tea. So we will be focusing on major flavors. Umpisahan natin. Siyempre marami pang kasunod yan. Pero umpisa natin with Winter Melon Milk Tea, Okinawa Milk Tea, and of course, ang Matchin Signature Milk Tea. Ito ang advantage kapag sariling atin, we can actually have our signature recipe. From Doc Ed, Dr. Ramoni, of course, most of you trust their palate, yung kailang, taste buds, yung taste palate, hindi lang po silang tumikim. Lahat po kami, dumaan po ang testing and food tasting yan sa lahat ng VPs, lahat ng top management, even the AFC management team. Kaya po for the past few months, araw-araw po nagpapalpitate si Sir Adrian. Kasi ilang kape, milk tea, ang naubos po niya. Okay? So, talagang siniguradong masarap at babalikan, hindi yung puro asukal lang, hindi yung puro sugar lang. Kaya, pag bumili ka nga ng mura, pag bili mo ng mura, hindi mo naman nababalikan yan kasi natikpan mo, puro asukal. Are you following? So, what we want to make sure is definitely the flavor is there, the milk tea is there, that it's tea-based. Are you following? Yan. So, matitikman po natin yan in the next coming days. Mamaya may announcement ni Sir Adrian. So, these are Milk Tea Delights. Pakita natin yung next. Ice Beverage Indulgence. When you talk about ice beverage indulgence, ito yung mga ice beverage that are non-coffee based. So walang caffeine, alright? Pero masarap na masarap yung mga flavors. Talagang, yung talagang hindi lang basta sugar lang ang dinagdag dyan or flavoring lang. Talagang coming from, you know, recipes coming from our R&D and our commissary. May sarili tayong chef na gumagawa at mga barista na gumagawa. Talagang ang combination yan, okay? So we have matcha flavor, we have the chocolate flavor, the strawberry, and the iced caramel. Exciting, ha? Eto hindi pa tayo tumigil dyan. Meron tayong milk tea, meron tayong iced beverage. Eto, mas pinatindi, nilagyan pa natin ang chilled coffee bliss. Sino mahilig sa iced coffee? Taas ang ayan, lahat talaga.
Siyempre, no, parang natitikman na nila pag sinasabi mo eh.
Siyempre kasi, alam ko naman talaga mga nocturnal tayo eh. Pag sinabing nocturnal, tulog sa umaga, gising sa gabi. Yan, lahat tayo yan. Ganyan, kaya mahilig sa kape. Pero siyempre, pag magkakape ka ngayong tag-init, masarap magkape pag tag-init yung iced coffee. Tama ba? Ayan, so we have here the caramel macchiato. Alright? We have the, ito, paborito ko to, yung tiramisu coffee. Nasa lahat ng food things ng paulit-ulit itong tinis. Ha? And of course, cappuccino, hindi na natin sa inom na, laklak na.
Oo, yan kaya medyo nadagdagan ng konting timbang na.
Parang last few weeks, ano lang ako eh, may nadagdagan ng 3 kilograms. Laki, no? And of course, signature coffee. Yan naman ang paborito ni Sir Adrian tsaka nila Sir Jurgen, yung signature coffee. Kaya matitikman yung Matchin signature coffee natin. So, as you can see guys, we have 3 variants. What's the advantage? When you are in homegrown, mas strategize natin mabuti. Pag sariling atin, mas makokontrol natin the price point, the market niche, the target market. We can consider ang income ng franchisee panalo, ang income ng distributor panalo, ang income ng company panalo. Lahat happy. Are you following? So let me show you why we did this. Bakit natin kailangan ng 3 variants? Number 1, as you can see, hindi na lang milk tea ang industriya ang papasukin natin. So milk tea industry in Southeast Asia is at $3.6 billion. Pero sabi nga nila, milk tea is like coffee. Milk tea is milk tea, pero mas matindi pa rin pag pinag-usapan ng coffee. Really, walang makakapalit, coffee is coffee. Kahit bawat kanto ka, dumaan ka sa Ortigas, bawat kanto may coffee shop. Iba't iba ng pangalan, iba't iba ng company name, pero pare-parehas cappuccino. Pare-parehas ka-ice caramel macchiato. Are you following? Magkakaiba ng flavor, pero hindi nawawalan ng tao. Talagang coffee is coffee. There's really a market. We are really a coffee lover, coffee drinker. In Southeast Asia, it's $8.6 billion. As you can see, ang ice flavored drinks is $1.9 billion. Why am I showing you some numbers? Because we want you to understand. Tulad ng sinabi ni Sir June, ni Sir Arnel kanina, whenever we come out with something for each and every one of you, hindi namin basta ilalabas ng pinag-aaralan. Kung meron man tayong mga kailangang matutunan on the early stage, yes, we learn coming from failures, we learn coming from some challenges, pero coming from the challenges, ang hindi mawawala sa global group of company, we will come up again, we will babangon ulit at sisiguraduhin talagang yayaman at maraming mababago ang buhay. Right? So as you can see, ang total industry that we are getting into in Southeast Asia is nasa $14.1 billion. Pinag-uusapan natin per year. Sabi natin, Nico, laki ng Southeast Asia, palitin natin. In the Philippines alone, pag pinagsama-sama na po, this is coming from statista.com, you can actually research that. Kaibigan, pag combined milk tea, coffee, and other ice flavored drinks, ang total industry that we are playing into is at 151 billion pesos industry. Since $2.8 billion. Taon-taon, Pilipinas pa lang po, mga Pilipino pa lang. Pinag-usapan, coffee, milk tea, coffee, and ice flavored drinks. Kaya imagine, sa 151 billion, kahit 10% lang po niyan ang matap natin sa industry with a matching brand, sigurado ilan kaya ang gagawin milyonaryo sa kwarto dito. Taas ang kamay magiging milyonaryo, taas ang kamay! So as you can see guys, mga kaibigan, ang annual growth, hindi lang po yan per, yun yung numbers natin per year, 151 billion pesos. Pero again, it's consistently growing. That's what we love about this industry. Hindi siya pababa, pero pataas siya. So ang compounding annual growth rate or CAGR niya from 2024 to 2028 for the next 4 years, it's growing from 5.34 to 6.81%. So kahit sabi ko sa inyo taon-taon pa, palaki ng palaki, there is really a market. Kahit yung increase na lang ang makuha natin. Hello?
Kahit yung pinaka-increase na lang ng 6.81% ang matap nating market, kahit huwag na yung 151 billion, itong increase na lang, 6.81% ng 151 billion, daan-daan, libo-libo ang gagawing milyonaryo ng matching at ng Alpha East Franchise Corporation. Are you following? Alright, now let me show you guys. Ito na. So our homegrown products, and syempre distinct ang flavor, maganda ang timing kasi summer ngayon, may variety of flavors tayo, may variety of different beverage and different drinks. Quality and desirability mas na-control natin with our homegrown product. Excellent product value, and syempre hindi tayo lumayo sa mass market appeal. Talagang meron pa rin pangmasang price point. So mamaya papakita ko sa inyo, kaibigan, ang milk tea natin, ang price point natin for milk tea na napakasarap at quality, lalaban sa mga 100 pesos milk tea, ang milk tea natin 49 pesos. Pwede. When you talk about ice beverage, we have two sizes. We have 16 ounce and 22 ounce. At 16 ounce, ang ice beverages na matcha is 59 pesos. Kapag nagpunta ka naman sa 22 ounce, it's 69 pesos. Are you following? And of course, our iced coffee, ayan na, yung mga mahilig magkape na malamig, ang price point natin sa lahat ng flavors ng iced coffee is at 69 pesos at 16 ounce. Siyempre, hindi ka naman magkakape ng 22 ounce kasi magpapalpitin ka talaga. Baka mag-online ka, yung puso mo, di ba? So, importante yan. So, napakaganda po, napakaganda ng price point natin. Pasok pa rin sa masa. Capture natin ngayon, hindi lang bata. Milk tea and iced beverage, tuwa mo mga bata. Tama ba? Yes. Kaya paano matanda? Siyempre yung iced coffee natin. Are you following? Yes. So captured natin both the young market with a price point of 49 pesos and the old market, yung working class at 69 pesos. Pero yung lasa, yung flavor, yung taste, papantay sa 180, 150 pesos na 16 ounce coffee. Pwede o pwede? Palapakan natin ang kaibigan. So, those are the advantage kapag may sarili kang commissary. Those are the advantage kapag meron kang R&D and commissary and chefs that are at your disposal. Di ba? May talagang umpisa pa lang from raw ingredients to recipe galing sa atin mismo. So we can control. Mas okay ba yun? Yeah. Okay na okay. So let me show you, mga kaibigan, how to start your franchise business. Ready na ba? Yeah. How to start your matching franchise business. So let me show you. Ito po. Franchise package, inclusive with, kung ano-ano mga inclusive dyan. Magkano muna pag-usapan natin ang franchise package. As you can remember before, when we presented to you the franchise package, we started from 99,000. Tama ba? Yeah. Tapos may mga add-on. Kasi to be honest, yung 99,000, initial inventory, and then may add-on din naman. When you want to put up and start up, may add-on ka ng 80, 90,000 to 150,000. So all in all, if you will put it up and start it up, aabot ka rin ng 250 to 260,000. Are you following? Yes. So coming from the, kaya gusto ko sabihin yung homegrown kasi nga yung strategy and understanding on our market, mas may ilalagay natin. And upon Dr. Ed, our visionary president and our top management understood our market. Bakit namin understand? Lahat naman marami sa atin, hindi naman mga lumaking traditional business people. Are you following? Marami sa atin yung tipong gusto ko magnegosyo. Mga OFW nagtrabaho ng ilang taon sa ibang bansa and then magtatayo ng franchise business sa Pilipinas but they don't have any background about it. Are you following? So ang gusto natin is that, ang gusto namin gawing package is that when you start this, you have a very, very minimal na lang ng sakit ng ulo. Are you following? Yung tipong hindi ka maglalabas ng this small amount of money. Catchy nga kasi small amount of money. Pero ang dami mong sakit ng ulo kasi ang dami mo rin add-on, ang dami mong babayaran, ang dami mong kasi kasuhin. Are you following? But with this, mga kaibigan, because we understand our market, ang gusto natin yung tipong pag andyan na, pinesent mo, kasama na lahat, all-in, inclusive, wala ka na masyado iisipin. But may guidance tayo. Are you following? We will guide you along the way. May mga renovations and everything, pero very, very minimal kasi nando na. Are you following? So let me show you the inclusions and the franchise package. Our franchise package for Matchin is at 269,990 only. Tanong, kaya o kayang-kaya? Marami sa inyo nagpapapili ng Max International, Max Corporate, Max Orbis. Are you following? But this time, it's a full business, alright? Inclusive with, ano kasama? Initial inventory of 54,100 pesos. Like I told you, ito yung presyo ng parang add-on. 99 plus add-on. Are you following? So yun din siya, pero in-all-in na natin in one, alright? Ano pa? Para walang isipin. Modular store with lighted signage and menu. Ito yung wala doon na ikaw gagawa. Are you following? So ito nandun na. So yung OFW, hindi na mag-iisip maghanap ng karpentero pa na talagang very skilled carpenter na gagawa pa ng store niya. Ito, i-deliver per panel. May mga i-deliver na sa inyo mga panels. So standard ang panels natin. Ikakabit na lang yan. Kahit DIY, ituturnilyo mo na lang yan dyan sa pwesto mo. Are you following? Kakabit mo na, ipapatong mo na lang yung countertop mo. Are you following? So we're looking at having this lighted signage. Hindi lang basta Sintra board, but lighted signage para dun sa lugar nyo lumiliwanag ang matching store ninyo. Alright? What else? So, Prime Peg at 125 worth of value. Ano pa? We have small equipments and marketing collaterals. Kasama na lahat ng small equipments. You don't need to add on pa yung mga takore, yung mga T-barrels nila. Ando na po lahat. So, mag-ooperate ka na lang ng mga small. Ititimpla mo na lang talaga. Are you following? Yeah. Ititimpla na lang. So, with marketing collaterals as well, nandun na yung mga banner mo, yung mga marketing collaterals like the menu, the handout menu na pwede mong tignan ng inyong mga clients and customers. What else? R&D. Eto, we want to add this value because this is really something valuable, especially on the product innovation. Every now and then, we will be releasing some new flavors. Are you following? And there's new flavors. Mas matindi kapag pa-isa-isa yung new flavors so that na-highlight siya on the marketing. I believe you understand me as marketers. Are you following? Diba? Mas matindi yung, hindi mo introduce lahat ng sabay-sabay, pero introduce mo ng pa-isa-isa para na-focus yung marketing. Are you following? After mo benta yung Okinawa Winter Melon, biglang naglabas ka ng isang new flavor na talagang tatangkilikin ng marami. So may boost of sales. Are you getting my point? May boost of sales. So again, we have the R&D and commissary and product innovation to do that for us at our disposal. Pwede o pwede? What else? Of course, the tech integration. You have your own POS system. You have your own ordering portal. Lahat ng franchisee natin, online na lang po order. Pag naubusan ng straw, naubusan ng boba, naubusan ng creamer, add to cart lang. And then, it will be delivered for them. Less na po ang sakit ng ulo ng ating mga franchisee and partners. Food safety, ito. This is what I love about this. No? Kasi this is very crucial. Mamaya, i-emphasize pa ni Sir Adrian, the food safety and quality assurance programs. You know, most of the multinational franchise companies today, yung mga pumutok, let me give you some examples. Siguro I can name some brands, no? Like McDonald's, mga international brands like Krispy Kreme. Itong mga international brands po na ito, may mga sinusunod na standards yan. And when you talk about the licensing and food and safety, very important. Why very important? Kasi isang pagkakamali lang, may mag-claim lang na food poison sa pagkain natin, balentong kagad ang brand natin. Are you following? Kahit gano'ng kasarap yan, kahit gano'ng kamura yan, kaya iba sabi, mura na, masarap na, yun nga lang, madumi pa. So, importante na malinis. Importante yung food safety, yung warehousing, yung stocking yan, yung logistics yan. There are some licensing. License po. The good thing about Alpha is homegrown franchise corporation natin, yung signature creation natin, we have our own food safety officers. So, we have already invested on that. Talagang importante na meron tayo yan. Parang importante. Talagang sigurado from the logistics, from the stocking, pinag-uus pa nag-aralan yung shelf life ng bawat produkto when we deliver to our franchisee. Is that good? Para hindi ka kakabaka sa franchisee, alright? To minimize all of those problems. And of course, training and development support program, tuloy-tuloy po yan. By the way, just to add on this, no, hindi lang po training, no, napaka-professional video training na talagang may video training para madali mo nang gagawin yung mga titimplahin and everything. So, all video training na yan. Plus, syempre, may mga guidance pa yan na live, no? May mga Zoom live training siya na guided po lahat. And tuloy-tuloy siya kasi every now and then, we'll be coming up some trainings on marketing para sa mga franchisee. We'll be coming up trainings on finance management or operations for our franchisees. Na wala po sa iba yun, no? Basta nabenta yung franchise sa'yo, bahala ka sa buhay mo. So ito, hindi tayo pwede gano'n. So we will be guiding you along the way. So tuloy-tuloy yung training and development support program. And what I love about this, dagdag ko lang, yung tinatawag na what do you call this, yung mga nagsusurprise visit, no?
Yes,
Ang tawag natin doon is,
to ensure yung quality na at all times, merong mystery shopper. He needs to check. Yung
mystery shopper ang tawag natin dyan. So, when you talk about the mystery shopper, ito yung mga, we have people that will be coming up pag dumami na yung franchise natin that will ensure the quality. Kasi minsan ang problema, pag bago pa lang yung franchise, on the first 3 months, ang quality of level or level of service, number 10, level 10. After 6 months, pag medyo nasanay na, level 5 na lang, makita mo, ang dumi na ng store, ibang boba na pala ginagamit, ibang asukal na pala ginagamit. So pag ibang produkto na ginagamit, iba ng lasa, iba ng standards. Paano na ngayon yung franchise points na umaakyat sa mga uplines, ha? So we want to ensure that it's all standard. We want to ensure na talagang quality along the way, long term, kung gusto natin tignan business. So that is part of the assurance program, food safety and quality control or quality assurance program natin. What else? Territorial exclusivity and site selection assistance. So we will not just give you your cart, we will not just give you your items and go put up your own store. We won't do that to you. So we have a team, ang tawag mapping team, that will help you in site selection assistance. Very important. We need to understand the demographics of the place that you will put up your store with. When you put your store, initial primary store, secondary store, pag-uaralan natin together kung ano bang market and demographics. Mamaya emphasize pa ni Sir Adrian, paano pinag-aaralan yung demographics ng lugar para siguradong pag nagtayo ka, hindi magsasara. Siguradong kikita ka, pati mga upline up to the 5th level, kikita lahat ng tuloy-tuloy with your matching store. Are you following? Very important, alright? And of course, ayan, yung brand establishment program, so kasama yan sa mga events natin. The whole EFC, we have series of events na gagawin, may mga expo tayo every now and then. So yung matching brand, habang ginagawa namin internally on a national level, yung ating mga events and everything, kasamang umaangat yung matching brand mo. So if you're a franchisee of matching, wala kang choice. May mga endorsement programs tayong gagawin in the future, wala kang choice, basta nauna ka na sa matching franchise. Sigurado sisikat yung matching brand na yan kasabay yung store mo, alright? And what I love about this, part of the inclusions that I want to add as a word of value is that ang ating franchise package is waived ang royalty fee, waived ang renewal fee, at very minimal fixed national marketing and ad costs. So what does it mean, Nico? Ba't kailangan i-highlight ito, especially sa inyo as trainers? Pag kayo nag-present, paki-highlight po ito sa mga potential franchisees niyo. Kasi when you look at franchises, franchise programs outside, most of the time, meron talagang tinatawag na royalty fee. Pakisabi nga, royalty fee. Most of the time, ang royalty fee, it's not fixed. It's percentage. Ang matindi doon, naka-percentage based on your gross sales. So umpisa akala mo, ang taas ng profit margin per product, wow, ang laki ng kita ko ah. Pero after mo magbenta for the whole year, out of your gross sales, nakabenta ka ng 1 million. Yung maliit yung 1 million, pero nakabenta ka ng total of, well, let's just, for the sake of discussion, 1 million gross sales. Ang nangyayari, a certain percentage of that, kukunin as a royalty fee. So hindi siya fixed amount, pero percentage based. So binawas sa profit margin percentage mo. Are you following? I hope you're getting me. So, ganun katindi. So may royalty fee ginukuha annually. So tayo, wala po yan. Wave. So panalo yung mga franchisee. And of course, most of the franchise contract may renewal. Most of the franchise contract, 3 years, 5 years, at pag nag-expire, ang ganda ng negosyo mo, ang ganda ng tuloy-tuloy, di ba? Pag nag-expire, kailangan mong i-renew. So may renewal fee. Again, based on percentage. Okay? So mostly sa monthly sales mo or sa annual sales mo, may percentage na kukunin for your renewal fee. But for us, it's also waived. So meron tayo yung fixed. Bakit fixed, Miko? Ba't namin highlight yung fixed? Kasi meron din mga sinisingil sa labas. Para at least alam nyo na in advance. Pag nag-present kayo, wala nang wrong expectation. Are you following? Alam nila sa kontrata na ganito pa lang. Yung detail nito sa contract briefing naman i-explain sa mga franchisee. Pero at least kayo pa nagpe-present, alam nyo na kagad. Are you following? So mapaunahan nyo na walang ganito, pero meron pong minimal na fixed national marketing and advertisement cost. So maganda dyan, bakit fix? I-highlight nyo ng fix kasi yung iba, naniningil din po nito. Bakit may kailangan national? Kasi mayroong mga local marketing na gagawin sa store, pero every time ang EFC may event, we have a national marketing and advertisement na gagawin. At ang maganda doon, hindi based on percentage. Sa iba, pati ito, based on percentage of your sales, kaya malaki po yun. Are you following? tayo very minimal na fixed annual, taon-taon pa, hindi po buwan-buwan. Sa ibang monthly tayo, in 1 year, nakabenta ka na ng ilang milyon, in 1 year, may very minimal fixed na marketing and ad cost. So nasa kontrata po lahat ng details niyan. Pwede o pwede? Ayan. And of course, what I love about this, eto yung hindi nakikita ng marami. Ha? Pag AFC franchise owner ka, capture mo lahat ng business opportunity ng A Global Group of Company. And you know what I love about this? Habang nagbebenta ka ng coffee, milk tea, at ice beverage, biglang may gustong magpa-load. Tatawagan yung girlfriend niya kasi late sa date. Walang load. Saan magpapaload? Pupunta pa doon sa pinakamalapit na e-loading. Hello? With matching store, pag ikaw franchisee, kasama na yan sa negosyo. So we will be giving you marketing collaterals dun sa store. So sa store mo, may matching ka, plus may maliit doon na bills payment, di ba? Tumatanggap ka rin ng bills payment, tumatanggap ka rin po ng e-loading, tumatanggap ka rin ng mga transfer sa bank, padala. Are you following? Remittances. Okay, alam nyo kung saan galing yan? Ha? Tinanong kanina ni Sir Arnel yan. Sino dito mga Bibo endorser? Taas sa kamay! Maraming hindi nakaka-realize, just by becoming a Bibo endorser, that is an open business opportunity for each and every one of you. So ganun din sa ating mga matching store owner. Pwede o pwede? Sa labas, kapag bumili ka ng ganyan business, it will take you 150 to 350,000 pesos to put up your own bills payment or padala system or padala business. But for us, it's just add-on sa ating matching business. Okay ba yun? And of course, syempre, hindi mo mawala dyan kasama yung 1 million pesos personal accident coverage for 1 year. So may 1 million ka pang coverage na personal accident libre. Ha? Kasama na po sa inclusion. So as you can see, ginack up ng mabuti yung inclusions natin. Ang total work and value of your inclusion will be more than 1 million. Kasama yung 1 million personal accident, loss payment wave, lahat yan. Pag pinagsama-sama natin mga kaibigan, nasa more or less 1 million, more than 1 million work and value of your franchise package at 269,990. Kaya may only. Pwede o pwede? Pwede. Taas sa kamay yung mga ready nang ipresento sa mga client. Taas sa kamay. Wonderful. Now, para kumpleto ang pag-present mo sa client mo, hindi ganito ang pag-present nyo. Very detailed to, ha? Training to, ha? This for your ears. So gagawa kayo ng presentation for that. Isang question para mga client, ano ba ang profitability niyan? Ayan, ha? Pag ako okay na ako, 269, ang ganda ng inclusion nyo. Pasok ako dyan, 269,990. Ang tanong, gaano ka profitable? When I started, magpakapagod lang ako dyan. Baka benta-benta ko, kayo lang kumikita. Are you following? Yes. Paano ako sa franchisee? Pag nagbenta pa ako ng milk tea, magkano kita ko? Pag nakabenta ako ng isang cup ng kape, magkano kita ko? Are you following? So the good news is that on our franchise program, it's highly profitable kasi ang profit margin ng ating mga franchisee is at 40 to 45% profit margin per cup. So nakabenta ng isang milk tea, 40%. Are you following? Nakabenta ng isang kape at 69 pesos, 45% goes to the franchisee. Pwede o pwede? Nakabenta ng isang iced beverage na chocolate at 59 pesos, 44 to 45% goes directly to the franchisee. Are you following? So 40 to 40% profit margin. So as we computed this, para makita rin lang po, ito yung mga unang katanungin, mga negosyante mag-isip dyan, no? Be with me right now, focus on this. So pag kukumputin natin yan, at an average, let's just say, conservatively, you are serving 100 cups from coffee divided into 3 different variants. Kasi syempre, di natin alam kung anong bibenta sa lugar mo. Baka sa lugar mo, malapit ka pa sa university, puro milk tea. Malapit ka sa high school, elementary school, puro ice beverage and milk tea. Paano kung pwesto mo malapit sa ospital, malapit sa mga call centers, at yung benta mo, puro kape. Are you following? So on this projected or forecasted computation of ROI, in-average natin at 100 cups, you can compute it on your own, 100 cups, equally divided into 3 variants. Are you following? So 100 cups equally divided into coffee, ice beverage, and milk tea. Are you following? Pag kinompute nyo po yan from different variants at 40 to 45% profit margin at the price point of 49 to 69 pesos, mga kaibigan, considering, ibabawas na rin po natin yung food and paper cost. Siyempre, pag nag-reorder ang franchisee, mag-reorder sila ng raw material sa atin, may food and paper cost. Ano pa? Operational cost. Ito yung mga external additional cost ng franchisee tulad ng pampasweldo. Di ba? Kung hindi siya mismo nakatao doon, may pasweldo siya. In fact, kahit siya nakatao doon, kailangan sinasweldohan niya sarili niya. Are you following? Ano pa? So, pasweldo, yung upa, kung kukuha ka ng pwesto na medyo, kukuha ka ng upa. So, considering all of that, ibabawas natin yan. Ang average net, pag sinabing net, labas na lahat ng cost. Are you following? Yes. Again, coming from an average of 100 cups, ang average net profit is at 40,000 to 50,000 per month. Okay, so safe to say, at an average of 100 cups a day lang po yan. Paano kung nasa tabi ka pa ng elementary school, baka hapon pa lang ubus na yung 100 cups? Paano pa mamayang gabi may kape pa? May another 200 cups, baka 300 cups per day ka. At 100 cups, that's 40 to 50,000. So if we will compute that at 269,890, safe to say, ang ROI mo based on the projected or forecasted average cups per day will roughly take around 5 to 7 months return on investment. Are you following? 5 to 7 months. So after 7 months, safe to say, 40 to 50,000, kung nag-100 cups per day ka lang talaga, hindi umaakyat, nandun lang, basically mga kaibigan, at 8 month, 9 month mo, liquid na yung 40 to 50,000 mo, pwede ka na ulit magtayo ng panibagong branch mo. Are you following? So, ayan. So, tuloy-tuloy. So, that's how business goes. That's how you do your franchise business. Pwede o pwede? Alright, so as you can see, ito mas paborito natin. Kung kikita ka sa magbebenta ng milk tea, so kikita ka sa magbebenta ng kape at ice beverage, for faster ROI, go for RIO. Para sa mas pinabilis na ROI, mas maganda, pumasok ka sa referral income opportunity. Kung ikaw franchisee, at bukas din po itong referral income opportunity sa lahat ng EC and OBI distributors. Ano yun? Alam niyo na to. Pag nag-refer ka ng bawat franchise package, every matching franchise package that you refer, basically mga kaibigan, you get a direct referral bonus of 25,000 pesos. May 15 stars DTC structure, meron tayong 6,000 binary points. Pag pumalo yan, AFC to other divisions like EC and OBI, may waiting ka na EC OBI. Ano pa? Kapag ang waiting mo naman, pag Alpha is account ka, may Alpha is franchisee ka, ang left and right mo, ang pasok sa'yo ng isang franchisee, 12,000 points. Are you following? Para hindi kayo maguluhan ha, ulit ito. Kapag ikaw, EC OBI, pumasok sa'yo Alpha is, ang pasok ng points sa'yo, 6,000. Are you following? Pero pag ikaw, Alpha is account owner, ang pasok sa'yo, 12,000 binary points. Alright? So may 4,000 para Stair Step and UPP sa mga uplines. Alright? And of course, ang paborito natin, eto. Pakisabay-sabay basa. 1, 2, 3, go! Yung tuloy-tuloy na komisyon hanggat nakatayo yung franchise or matching store na yan. So yan ang wala sa marami na meron sa atin. Are you following? Nico, paano nangyayari yan? Alin na yan? So unlimited overriding commission, it's happening whenever the franchisee reorder his or her raw materials. Pag umorder ng raw material yan, naubusan ng creamer, naubusan ng syrup, naubusan ng boba, ng straw, ng lid, ng cup, magre-reorder. Pag nag-reorder ng raw material dun sa ordering portal, add to cart, every add to cart parang easy shop, online shop na exclusive para sa mga franchisee. So every time na add to cart na nakakabit yung ID number ng franchisee sa upline na nag-refer. So every time nag-add to cart yung franchisee mo na na-refer mo ng boba, ng straw, ng lid, may franchise points na umaakyat sa mga upline partners. At nagiging commission. Kaya nasabi ko kanina that you can earn unlimited overriding commission from all the operating matching franchise branches within your organization. So again, alam niyo kita niyan kapag direct mo, for example, si brother, ano pangalan? Hilario. Si brother Hilario is my franchisee. So kung ako nakapag-direct sa kanya, sa bawat reorder niya sa branch, umubos yung kape, umubos yung 100 cups per day, automatically mag-order ng leads, ng cups. Sa bawat reorder niya, may 40% franchise points ako. Wow! And malupit, siya, ako lang kakilala niya. Siyempre, gagawin ko, susuportahan ko. Kasi marami kasing sa franchise business na ang gagawin. Pag nakabenta ng franchise, pag nakuha ko ng direct referral bonus, bahala ka sa kayo. Are you following? May ganon. So ang gusto natin, pag nakuha mo yung direct referral, hindi mo hayaan yung franchisee mo. Bakit? Kasi kailangan mapabenta natin yan. Kailangan supportahan natin. Kung kailangan doon kayo mag-table talk, kung kailangan doon kayo mag-meeting ng grupo nyo, ubusin nyo lahat ng kape. Are you following? Gagawin nyo kasi may franchise points ka. Are you following? Hindi lang ikaw, pati yung mga upline mo na hindi na siya kilala, may 15% pa from second up to the 5th level. Are you following? So, pataas po. I'm getting my point. So, out of the equivalent franchise points yung 40 to 15% natin. Pwede o pwede? Alright, so as you can see, eto po, yung marketing plan, eto, yung matching franchise business. Ang question, pwede o pwede? Sino yung mga excited na mag-present sa mga clients nila? So we will be releasing the slides, pero before that, if you are excited, importanteng maalala natin at maintindihan yung procedures kung paano siya gagawin. Are you following? Yeah. Because we want a long-term business. And talking about procedures, i-explain sa atin yan other than Mr. Adrian Del Rosario.
Palakpakan niyo naman si Sir Rico. Yan, excited na ba kayo? Tingin nga talaga sino excited, taas na ang kamay. Sabi mo sa katabi mo sa kalawa, Matchin!
Matchin! Ayan, pakisabi, delay does not mean denial. Those reasons, kaya nakita nyo, kasi iba, sabi, wala, yan. Kalaban, may kalaban. Agad inalayo niyang dog mo. Okay, the reason why medyo kala nyo naglaylo, but kanina sinabi ko, we intensified our drive. Diba kasi when we launched this, yung Alpha is about a few weeks ago, sabay naman yan eh, diba? Inuna lang yung collaborative creation sana, kaya lang, because, you know, the management listens to the distributors. Mas importante yung mga distributors, tama? When we launched, yan syempre, yan yung inisip natin mas magandang gawin. However, napakaraming suggestions coming from the different leaders na nandito sa kumpanya natin. So the management, sila Doc Ed, Sir John, Doc Connie, and the rest of the higher management listens to you. Nakikinig sa inyo. So we want to ensure na maging maayos yung ating negosyo. Hindi naman ito kasi pagpa-pay-in lang eh. Those who have been with A Global, OVI for quite sometimes, alam niyo naman na hindi lang basta magkumita yung mga distributor. Gusto natin kumita, makatulong, at pangmahabaan, di ba? That's why, yung pinakita ni Sir Nico, napindot na pala, balik mo. Kaya pala hindi nakatingin sa akin. Sige, that's why, mayroong mga ganitong changes, okay? Kaya kung may mga marinig kayong wala yun, ha? Sabihin mo lang sa kanila, Matchin. Pag tinanong, bakit hindi kayo natuloy nung una o medyo Matchin? Okay, now let me emphasize something. So kasi mabilis lang naman yung procedure. What we did with the procedure, in-streamline lang po natin. Kasi may mga kinatayong steps, mas in-improve para mas maging mapabilis at mas maging effective yung pag-i-screen natin. You have to understand na hindi lahat minsan ng mga magsasabi sa inyo gusto mag-franchise, talaga mag-franchise. So gusto natin from the onset, ma-identify nyo na parang hindi pa yata to. Now of course, we want to share it to anyone, pero at least you want to maximize your time. Tama? So let me emphasize something. No? So the reason why we can, pinakita ni Sir Miko yung kapalit, totoo ba yan? Kapalit, ang mamahal niyan. Bakit magagawang ibenta ng ganito lang? Because of volume. Can you say volume? Your company, Alpha Asia Franchise Corporation, together with Alliance in Motion Global, committed some, targets. Ilan ang ipa-franchise namin within the next 6 months? Ilan ang bibili namin sa inyo? Ilan ang gagawin? That's why yung ibang mga suppliers natin agreed to give us, instead of paying ganito kataas o ganito kalaki, ganito lang. Provided that we will deliver our promise. Syempre sa inyo naman, I'm sure kaya-kaya natin, tama? Parang dito pa lang sa 7th floor, kaya-kaya na di ba? Nandiyan pa ang 3rd floor. That's the reason why, hindi natin kayo ina-hype. We want to tell you something. Kasi baka mamaya lumabas to sa tanong. Later on, we will be answering some of the questions about products. Have you seen the products? Yes. Sabi nung iba, meron din naman sa iba niyan eh. Correct? Pero this time, we asked our research and development team to create a product specially for us. Kaya sinabi ni Sir Miko, distinctive flavor,
masarap na, hindi lang ano, lahat para sa atin. Kung merong Okinawa sa labas, meron tayo, merong special ingredient that cannot be found in other products. Nakuha nyo? That's the beauty of having at your disposal, at our disposal. We don't want this. Ito ang gusto namin kita ng franchisee. Kailangan may matira sa mga uplines. Kailangan kumita ang kumpanya. Pero dapat ganito ng cost. Pero ganito ang lasa. Are you following? So talagang pinag-aaralan. In fact, as we talk today, as we speak today, si Doc Connie, ganyan, still in coordination kasi ilalabas na, naka-ready na rin po yung mga ibang products natin. Okay, mamaya may announce sila. So, are you following?
Yes!
Pakisabi niya, following. Okay, tulog yun. Following, tulog yung iba eh. Okay. Tapos, what's good about our products, it can compete with popular brands. Okay? Ibig sabihin, kung ano yung nakaugalian nyo ng inom na masarap na high-end, it can compete, but with a minimal price. Very competitive po. Very competitive. That we guarantee you. Kanina nga sinabi ni Sir Miko, matitikman nyo po. A-announce natin kung kailan. Excited na kayo? Ay, talaga. Now, next, and then, talaga, sino excited tumigim na? Ayan, bayad muna. Ay, merong promo kasi sa, kaya kung pag in-announce namin kung kailan ang tasting at actual makikita nyo yung mga setup, punta kayo. Ha? Punta ba kayo? Yes, mami, wala na naman. Tapos what you have seen doon sa mga design ng cups, hindi pa po actual yun kasi pinapaganda pa po. Okay, sasabihin namin sa inyo kailan yung actual. Bakit parang ang simple lang? Hindi po. Lahat po yan merong ibig sabihin. Okay? Merong ibig sabihin kay match yun, di ba? Dapat alam niyo yan. Yung caption design yan, may ibig sabihin po yan. And of course, yung kanina binanggit ni Sir Miko, yung advertising cost na very minimal. What's good about this? Aside from well, you can do your own promotion pag nag-franchise ka sa isang lugar, sa Paranaque ka, kung sa Laguna ka, tama? Pero yung advertising cost, the national advertising cost, makakatulong po ito sa kumpanya. Definitely makakatulong ng malaki sa inyo kasi aside from magpo-promote ng national promotion that would benefit you, the company will also give you advice. Siyempre minsan, humihina kayo,